What's going on, guys? It's Joe Metlow with Next Level Auto Detail, and you might be able to see the care package that TurtleWax was nice enough to send over. It is their new hybrid ceramic line. We're going to talk about that and give you guys kind of an update on what's going on. So with that being said, let's get that stuff unboxed and start the video. So as you can see, TurtleWax was nice enough to reach out and offer to send this kit for our channel. So I am grateful for that. It is going to create some interesting content for us, and I am excited to give them a try. Now, they just released this line recently at SEMA. It's their hybrid ceramic line. It has a soap, a detailer, a spray-on coating, and a ceramic 3-in-1 polish. Now, I am excited to try the polish more than anything and the spray-on coating, but I am excited about the maintenance products as well. But today's video is not only going to be about this stuff. You guys might notice a Lamborghini Urraco that's behind me. Now, it might look familiar because we did coat this with Crystal Serum Light, and we did polish it as well about under 2 years ago. I actually had to recorrect and coat this car because we are bringing it to a Palm Beach Concours that is on the 8th, which is in 2 days. Now, I didn't make a video on it because I didn't want to focus on the task at hand, and I already have so many videos that I have to upload. Forgive me for not uploading as frequently as I would like to. So the reason we had to recorrect the car was my client brought it back to the body shop for them to do some touch-up work, I believe, in the door jamb, and I don't know, they had to buff it and kind of blend a certain area with their buffing, and they decided to buff the entire side of the car. And obviously they did not do a good job because the car was perfect and it didn't look so perfect. I do believe that I have a clip of the before condition because I did make a video on it. If I do have that clip, I will post it right next to me. If you guys don't see it right now, that means I did not find it, unfortunately. So hopefully I have that clip. It polished up nicely because of the coating, which is a good thing. So the coating essentially did its job. I did have to lightly compound it, but it polished out really, really nice and easy. It wasn't too stressful. So the coating essentially did do its job. Unfortunately, they did a wash, wipe, whatever they did, whatever rags they used, they just literally left marring all over the car, and they hazed it out really bad. I'll post a picture so you guys could see how bad that they hazed it out in the areas that they didn't even buff. Probably wiped the car, they prepped the car, even though my client told them and advised them not to do so. They don't know what they're doing, so they actually buffed a car that looked perfect, and they thought that they did something better to enhance it, but they actually did damage to it. Fortunately, I did have to literally recorrect the whole car and coat it to make it worthy for the Palm Beach Concours. Now, I did not use any of the TurtleWax line on the Urraco. However, we are going to be using them tomorrow because we are going to be prepping a Ferrari 512 TR. So whatever it is we're going to be doing to the TR after I talk with my client, we'll use whatever to kind of prep it for the show. If we polish it with the ceramic 3-in-1, or if we just do a maintenance wash, and we might do the spray detailer. So whatever my client decides what he wants to do to the car after I inspect it for whatever application that we see is fit. So we are going to be making a video about that tomorrow. This car is basically done. I just got to put tire dressing on it. I'm waiting for the coating to cure. We do have to give it a wipe down, do a double inspection of the glass. So before we end the video, we'll do a walk around. The car came out nice. I'm very, very happy with the results. The coating did its job and it polished out really, really nice. So unfortunately, the body shop mangled her, but it doesn't matter anymore because she is fixed and she's back in her former glory. And she looks how she's supposed to look now. So we are going to turn some heads at the Concours event. I know we are. It's one badass car. I'm excited. We are going to be making a video about the Concours event as well. So Tomorrow we're going to be working on the 512TR. I'm excited to see what products we're going to use. So I just wanted to give you guys that quick update. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Give it a like if you did enjoy the video. Make sure you're subscribed, and like always, I will see you in the next one.